Classwork correction question 6. Yesterday, I asked you to finish off question 6, and Carol is trying to estimate how many words she has written in an essay. She records the number of words she wrote on each line of one page. Her results are given below. Okay, so the table is given. You're asked to figure out how many lines in total were there on the page. Well, to get that, we're going to add up all of these numbers on the bottom. Okay, just to go back over one of the questions from yesterday as well. Okay, so question 8. Just when I added up those numbers, I must have accidentally put in 6 instead of 16. And I had 185. It's actually 195 over 30, which goes in 6.5 times. So the mean or average is 6.5. So we're on question 6. And I'm just going to redraw out the table. So I have 10, 1, 11 and 3, 12 and 6, 13 and 9, 14 and 7, 15 and 4. Okay, so that's the table. These are the number words, number of lines. So we are asked how many lines in total were there on the page. All we need to do is, for the number of lines, add up the totals. Sorry, I'm after missing 10 and 1. Okay. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 7 plus 4. You can grab your calculator and type it all in. So 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 7 plus 4 is 30. So there are 30 lines. Part 2. How many lines contained 14 words? These are 14 words. There were 7 lines that contains 14 words. What was the modal number of words per line? Modal is the most common or most frequent. 9 is obviously the biggest number, and that corresponds to 13 words. Okay, and the last one there is calculate the mean of the distribution. When you have a frequency distribution, you are getting the sum of the frequency of x, which is the variable, all over the sum of the frequency. So I need to multiply 10 by 1 plus 11 by 3 plus 12 by 6 plus 13 by 9 plus 14 by 7 plus 15 by 4, and divide it by the sum of all the numbers on the bottom, the number of lines. We added these up already. 1 and 3 and 6 and 9 and 7 and 4 was 30. Okay, with that in mind, I'm going to start multiplying out these. 10 by 1 is 10. 11 by 3 is 33. 12 by 6 is 72. 13 by 9 is 117. 14 by 7 is 98. And 15 by 4 is 60. All over 30. Okay, all I'm going to do now is add up all of those numbers. So 10 and 33 and 72 and 117 and 98 and 60. And we get 390. Divided by the 30 different lines that were there. So 390 divided by 30 is 13. So the average amount of words in each line is 13. Okay, today is just pretty much a completion of this chapter 7, okay, which is statistics 2. And today in class, I'm going to get you to start on question, just going to highlight them here now and then write them out for you. Going to do question 10 and question 11. Okay, when we've those done, the other day you would have done range and variability. Range and variability is the largest number minus the smallest number. So you have done that. You also looked at comparing data. Okay, and you had done questions 1, 2, and 4. Okay. Today you're also going to do question 6 and 8. Okay, that kind of concludes this chapter. There is a test yourself section at the back, but I'm going to leave that for another stage, and hopefully when we get back to school that we can go through a few of those when it comes to revising the entire statistics chapters. So at the moment, I'm just going to write them down in your copy or in my copy for you. So at the moment, you're on page 158, and you're going to do questions 10 and 11. Then you're going to go to page 160, and you're going to do questions 6 and 8. Okay, and you're going to join me live. Thank you.